We have added now support for Deno, so you can create applications inside of Diploi using Deno. In case you are not aware, Deno is meant to be an upgrade to Node.js. Basically, they try to add better performance and some new important features that were missing from the core Node.js. They were implemented inside of Deno. Deno is made by Ryan Dahl. In case you don't know, he's the person who created the original Node.js runtime, and he created Deno as a way to refresh what is possible using JavaScript for your backend. So in Diploi, if you want to create an application, all you have to do is just sign in for an account on Diploi, then click Create Project, look for Deno. Let's add a front end as well, so let's add React. So now we have Deno and React, and let's add a database with Postgres. So now we have set up our project as a monorepo. Let's add a repository as well. And that's it. Now our environment will be created using Deno for the backend. If you're using Diploi, you will be able to start coding directly from the browser, or if you want to access this project using your local VS Code or cursor, you can do it as well just by adding an SSH key, and then you will be able to start coding without having to run anything locally in your computer. As well, you will be able to see a preview of the application once the server is fully set up. So let's give it a little bit of time to get ready. All right, so now we can access our code in browser. I'm going to access it here, not in VS Code, just because it's more convenient and faster to showcase how you can access the code. So for example, in Deno, I can just start coding directly on my browser. No need to run anything locally, as I mentioned before. And our application is ready to be previewed. So let's access the Deno preview link. And we can also access the front end. And that's it. Our application is fully set up, and you can start working on it without having to run anything locally. And that's it. Now you have an environment with Deno, React, and Postgres created just in like a couple minutes. So if you have any questions, you can drop it on the comments. We'll try to reply as soon as possible. And you can also reach out to us on Discord. The link will also be in the description, as well as the link to launch a trial. You don't need any account if you want to start a trial. You just have to select the components you want, and that's it. And you can give it a try without even registering an account. So that's it. See you.